All right, so the key here on this top part is that we need the motor to sit here. Obviously, it's not going to fit inside here. So I have this cup, and I thought this could, you know, a lot of times the lighthouses are, you know, out and there's rocks and all that sorts of things all around. So I thought if I go ahead and use this cup and cut it down. So if I put this like this is the part that's going to stick out. And go ahead and cut the cup down. Okay, so I'm going to take some wires, so I need them to come up and then kind of bend over. I found this new tool. I haven't used this.
Uh-oh, new tool coming.
Yeah, I went to the clay store actually with Peggy down in San Diego.
Cool.
And this little thing, it's supposed to give you like the perfect bends in wires.
Oh.
So it's got these pegs and stuff you can put in, but see these lines like here? So if I want to bend this like in a perfect like little spot, I just put it in here.
Oh, yeah.
And then
It's a wire jig.
look at that. Isn't that cool?
Yeah.
You can get it like perfect. So how far out do I want my seagulls, and how do I want to? I'm probably going to have to bend this again down.
Isn't that called a wire jig?
I don't know.
It's called a wire jig.
All right, so I want 3, just like this. Well, actually, maybe I don't want them just like that. I'll have that one kind of hang down lower, maybe. I can always cut it off if I don't like it. But probably about the same. Okay, so they're all a little different. So then we need to tape these together. Good luck doing that, huh?
Yep.
And I found this really cool silver floral tape.
Wow.
Did you guys know you can get silver floral tape now? Because I didn't.
Floral tape?
Yes.
Wow.
Isn't it cool?
It is cool.
Very cool. It's like sparkly.
I like
Sparkly cool.
Sparkly cool.
These are probably going to keep moving around until I tape it down a bit. So I just kind of get it on there and start to twist. Bring it down. Whoops.
This is for seagulls?
This is seagulls. Woo!
All right, important.
Seagulls. So this is going to need to go through here. So let's see. Well, I don't want to cut it down too much. Basically, it's got to be just that. So clip it. And then I have to tape it to this and hope that it spins. That's the hard part. Tape it to that while there. That's the hard part.
It's the had pat.
It's the hard part.
That's okay. You still have 25 minutes to figure it out.
I guess I could have, well, if I didn't bend the wires first, then I could have, you know, taped it, then put this over, and then bent the wires, but then you could, you know, break the chocolate, I guess.
Yeah. Okay, so right now you are taping the bottom of the wires to the motor itself.
Correct.
The little spindle that
trying
comes out.
to.
Yeah. That comes out of the motor. Okay. All right.
You know, I might need to use, you know, I think I'm going to need to use electrical tape.
Electrical tape.
Yeah.
Okay. Electrical tape coming.
Electrical tape. No.
Not bad. That's a
Yeah.
pretty good sized seagulls, but
Kind of do wish it was lower, but then I'm going to have that taping issue again.
go ahead.
Okay, so this one is actually going to go counterclockwise.
Ooh.
I wanted this to go opposite. I wanted it to go clockwise, so I need to find the minus,
Wow. That's getting all fancy.
and I need to actually put it onto the plus, which is the one that doesn't have.
The railroad, or the
Correct.
the road, the dashed
Yeah,
line.
we kind of do it opposite. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Again, it's not for sissies.
Or people are afraid of getting electrocuted, so there you go.
Well, it's not plugged in.
I
so
know, but
There's
that's not
time for
funny.
that later.
There's still time.